Hello everyone. Now I want to explain on how to play this app. The name of this app is called Cipher Guess Game. I made this game as assignment of digital technology subject. This subject is taught by Mr. Arindram Hajra. I made this game using the latest release Python, which is 3.11.2. As you can see, I use form for the app interface. That is why I use tkinter library for using Python form and the widget. For example, I use the entry widget, which is the blue box, and then the label widget, which is the encoded message, the key, and the guess what the chapter is. And there are a few button widgets, which is about how to play and logic encoding explanation. So when the player opens this app, they will see the interface of the application. At this blue box, the player can see either a word or a sentence generated automatically by the app. So, it can be a word or a sentence. It depends on which the player select on difficulty level. If the user chooses level 1, then the app will generate a word. But if the player chooses level 2, which is more difficult, then the app will generate sentence automatically. The use of this level is the implementation of one of the requirements mentioned in the assignment. Let's have a look at the assignment. If you see if you see this sentence with a yellow highlight, it says, pick a message to write to your friends. It might be easiest to start out with a simple message, like a single word or phrase. Before you try a longer sentences or paragraphs, have a look. Single word in the assignment in the game means level 1. Sentence in the assignment in the game means level 2. So, when the player wants to get the structure of the encoded message like this word, which is slippers, and the player can type the answer in this box. For example, S become T. Why? It's because the key is 1, which is obviously they skip by 1. S become T, L become M, I become J, and P become Q, and E become F, and I become S, and S become T. So let's type the answer. M, Z, W, Q, and F, S, T. Then, if the player wants to check whether the answer is correct, then the player can click this button. Okay, let's click this button. Then the answer is correct. It means the score will be increased by 10. If the result is incorrect, then the score will be decreased by 10 as well. Now I want to explain about the About button. If the player clicks this button, Then the app will show the identity of the developer of this app, which is me. Once the new form opens, we will hear my voice explaining about me, the app, and the assignment. Let's click this and listen to what the app says. Hello, my name is Sydney. In UCSSG, I am now in year 11 in 2023. My class in SG28. The application that I made is the assignment of digital technologies. The teacher of this subject is Mr. Arindam Hajra. The application is about a game that challenges the player to guess the cipher from a message generated by the app. Enjoy! The voice that you have heard is from the app, not from me. The button "How to play" explain about how to play this application. If a player clicks this button, they will see an instruction video like this video that you are watching now. The button of logic and coding explanation will tell you the logic of the app Python codes that I used to develop this app.